Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to change the Gmail profile picture. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to your Gmail application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Gmail app, click the three line on the upper left side on your screen. Okay guys, scroll down and find settings. Click this. Okay guys, here in settings, you can see the Gmail or email. Click the Gmail you want to change the profile picture. Okay guys, after that, click manage your account. Okay guys, here in your Google account, you'll have to do is click the personal info. Okay guys, you can see the profile photo, and to change it, click the profile picture, and the pop-up will show your profile photo is visible to everyone across Google product. So okay, click set profile photo. Okay guys, another pop-up, and choose photo from your phone. Okay, we have two options, take photo and choose photo. So okay, I choose photo. Okay guys, select the photo you want to make a profile picture in your Gmail account. Okay guys, after you select, okay, align your photo by sliding the image or photo. So okay, after you set the picture or photo, so click the accept below. Okay, setting profile photo. Okay guys, successfully changed the profile photo of your Gmail account. So okay, that's it, and if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.